Guys, I'm Johnny. We're gonna be trolling as a girl in the animal company. Yeah. Uh, I need to sound like a girl though. Yeah. Um, like this. Wait, should I do this? I think I should do this. Or I think I should do this. Or like maybe I don't know. All right. What does a girl wear in animal company? I basically recommend a gorilla. I think it's a gorilla or hold on. I definitely do not know or okay. I okay. I can't wear. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I okay. I just. Oh my. Hey, I'm just Apollo. I can wear this. But I think I'm supposed to wear a gorilla. Let me take all of this off. Alright, I think I should. Gorilla. Gorilla eye. No, what the? Okay, and kaboom. We are facially naked. Look. This is what I was like in the mining update. Just nothing, no cosmetics, no drip. What does a girl wear? I don't want to buy that one. Hold on. So basically, I'm just gonna copy my girlfriend's outfit. Y'all guys don't know my girlfriend yet, but if she's online, maybe one day we can make a video together. So y'all can see I have a real girlfriend, and she wears this, and then her color code. I basically don't remember her color code because I tried to make a video with it, but it was like the YouTube said it was not to be able to have 60 seconds. Alright, I think it's these or like hold on. Okay. Okay, I think this is it. Yup, this is it. Yeah. I think this is what she wears. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Update.
Follow me,
Yo,
I'll show you
what's
it.
good? Guess what? Guess what?
You're gonna need an umbrella
girl.
for the new update.
I'm a girl. If you want to be my boyfriend, if you want to be my boyfriend, you can.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Bro, you're sus. You're sus.
I'm not.
You're
I'm
sus.
seriously a girl.
It's sus that you just not. You actually are not gonna talk.
I said I'm a girl.
I'm not.
I said I'm a girl.
Yep, I know it.
Girl. I said I'm a girl.
Hey yo. Hey yo, Ro's not a girl.
Okay. Hold on. Wait, I think I should do this, boys. Yo, who wants to go mining? Who wants to go mining?
We got plunges for days. Oh.
Who wants to go mining? Who wants to go mining?
All I have is me.
Boy, I said who wants to go mining? I said who wants to go mining?
Not me. I just robbed him.
Okay.
If he did get robbed, it's because he's not.
I'm gonna continue being a girl.
I'm just a girl. Boy.
Woo!
I'm just a.
Guys, next we're gonna do it on arena, I think.
I'm going to air fryer. Not how you play it. This is. Oh, why?
Guys, guess what? Guess what? I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
Someone stole my plunger.
No, you're not. You're a dude.
Yes, I
And also,
am.
just because
I'm a
you're a girl
girl.
does not
I'm a girl.
No one cares. No one cares what gender you are.
Shut up, Santa Claus, Cookie Dough, Chicken King, Captain Underpants, Charlie the Snake, and a 9-year-old monkey.
in my game.
Charlie
What
the
the
Snake.
shops am I hearing right now?
I have an idea.
Dude,
What would happen
Like,
if...
what is this dude saying? All I heard of,
who wants to go mining? Who wants to go mining?
no one wants to go mining.
Interesting.
You want to go mining?
I have made a great discovery, everyone.
Who wants to go mining?
Look what
Who wants to
happens when
go
I get
mining? Who wants to go
What
mining?
happens when I get 2 rockets, and then I do this?
Well, look who it is.
Well, look who it is. Boom, boom.
Whoa, look who it is. A little stop that is wearing a little banana hat.
Well.
Well, you little Charlie the Snake.
What am I listening to?
Mute your mic. You don't want to hear this.
So it doesn't even matter if you say that to me.
I'm gonna go on. Alright, so I'm gonna go on arena. So, yeah. As my girlfriend basically seems
Nobody please look out. Guys, I can't buy anything.
we broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back. Right now I'm seeing all the beauty, the broken glass. The skies are part of me. Dude, I'm singing that first. I'm singing that first. Guys, I'm basically cracked, so we're just gonna my first victim. No, it's not my first victim. Wait, no. I'm gonna, no. Wait, dude, wait, no. Let's go. No. No, dude, no, wait. He's right there. Dude, why?
Who actually thinks he's him? Who actually thinks he's him?
Oh wait, I'm red.
I didn't realize that.
Guys, don't lie to me. I am a pro, but stop saying that. I'm not a pro. Oh my god, I'm not a pro. I am a pro. It's just, guys, if I'm not a pro, then I'm trash at this game. Hey, what's up, guys? No. Alright, so basically we're just gonna. This time we're gonna drink a little. That's why I wanna go to Gucci right now.
Oh my god, you're so mean. Why would you kill me?
Because you're trash.
Everybody, spread a portal!
No. What was that guy saying? Whoa, look who it is.
No, you're not.
Too easy. Hello.
For the gems.
Where are the abs?
Yo, you guys go for the ores. Guys, go for the ores.
No, I'm good. I'm good. No.
Oh.
I didn't get to get my victory jacket.
No, we got it. You need to be better at this.
I miss my
OMG, I'm
Get
not
better,
bad.
please. There's a 7-kill difference from first place to
I
second
guess
place.
I'm never going to be in blue team.
Alright. So why am I going 10 kills? And
I
the
miss
other
my
people
baby
are going
boy.
3
I
kills
miss
and
my
0
baby
kills?
boy.
Oh,
So I'm
He's
just
not
cheering.
online right now.
Montreal has.
I miss my boyfriend.
It's a blue.
I miss my boyfriend.
Oh yeah, I choose. Which one? I can't choose red.
Nobody fight me.
Buddy, shut up. Buddy, be quiet. Buddy, be quiet right now. Mochaccino Assassino.
Everybody, whoever's on my team, attack! Attack.
I'm gonna be defense.
No.
I'm gonna be defense.
Try to drip me though. Try to drip me though. I'm not gonna lie.
GG, good game.
Come on, good too.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, I cheer it. I just saw over there. No, bro, it's better than me. Freaking. You suck. Oh, no, you suck. You suck.
No, guys, I'm gonna pretend I hit my finger. Guys, I'm gonna freaking beat y'all so bad. See, I just got you on 4K. Dude, you're trash.
You fell.
Alright, let's go.
No, I can't. I can't. I can't.
Ow! Ow!
I can't.
Ow!
I can't do anything.
What?